Hello again, welcome back to the series tutorial how to make quizzes in PowerPoint. Today we will do something like this picture guessing game where you can say a row and a column like B2, and you can click on this rectangle and then it will open up, or you can say A6 and then people can guess what is the image underneath. So let's start. So it's quite the same as we've done before. So we start with a rectangle. So let's do this very fast. You can look this up in part 1 of this series of tutorials. Um, so I will do this quite fast. You can do, of course, whatever you want. And then let's just copy paste from what we have done before. I don't want to waste your time, of course. And then we are here with the picture game. All right. Now the thing what we need is we need of course an image. So you can go to insert, you can go to images, and then you can look through the PowerPoint Microsoft um, database. So let's take these apples over here. Let's download, and then we have our image here. Perfect. All right. So that's our image, and then last thing that we want to do, change the color over here a bit. Next thing that we need to do is we want to add the rectangles that hide the image. So you take the rectangle tool, then you press the shift key, and then you drag and drop your rectangle size. So by pressing the shift key, it will have the same size, so it's a perfect square. All right, so let's then take this one here. And then we now want to add the animation. So when you click on this, it will disappear. So we go to our animation view, add animation, go to hide, and then we want to add a trigger. So you don't want to click here. Start by clicking, that's wrong. So you want to click on triggers and then click on, and then we choose a rectangle number 36 because this is number 36 on our canvas. All right, so let's check. If you click here, it disappears. Perfect. All right, so let's now copy paste this several times, maybe two more. Of course, you can do this um, depending on the size of your image underneath. All right. Okay. Let's do it like that. And then put the image over here. So what you can do, you can of course resize the image, then right click and do here the cropping, and then you change the size of the image so that it perfectly fits the size of your rectangles above. Perfect. All right, so the last thing that we need to do is we want to add the labels for the columns and for the rows. So we go to add a text field, A, B, C. Over here, change the size over here. Perfect. And then do again the same thing for the columns. Add a 1, add a 2. I said 2. the, the 2, kind of laggy my PC now. Well, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. And now another trick. So you want to select all of these text forms, and then you go to the part where you can select the same spacing, and then it's perfectly aligned. If you also take the 5, so let's do it again. Select these text forms here, and then do the same spacing, and align them all on one line. So now perfectly, that's how it can be done. So now if you say A1, you can click here and the rectangle will disappear, B5, C3, and so on. And the people can guess. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for your time and see you next time. Thanks.